What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Daniel here with my daughter Kinsley, and today I wanted to share with you guys her 4-month update. Actually, for her overall activity level, she's kicking quite a bit now. She'll kick me, and like when I'm changing her diaper, she'll kick against the wall, so I have to be really careful. We have our diaper changing station like right along the wall, and she'll kick against the wall away from the wall, so I have to be really careful and kind of position myself opposite so that she doesn't fall over. Recently, Kinsley is starting to kick in the tub, in her little baby tub. She'll like kick with her feet and splash with her hands, and it gets all over the place. So we actually started letting her take baths in the full-size tub with us, and she'll kind of like kick around. We have this little neck donut that she uses so she can float in the water, and she'll do like a little backstroke. She'll kick with her legs and just float around, and she's actually starting to flip over and do like this little doggy paddle. So it's really cute, it's really fun. It's really good bonding time with her, and she's really good at rolling over. I know last month when we let her do tummy time, she'd take a while for her to get from her back to her tummy time. But now when we set her down on her back, she immediately like tucks her legs in and then just immediately turns over. And she could do that multiple times in the same direction. Before, she'd go onto her tummy and then come back through the same way. But now she rolls multiple times in the same direction. So we gotta be really careful when we put her on her bed and make sure she doesn't roll off. This month, Kinsley is crawling a lot more. I know she started crawling a bit in month 3. We used to place her on her play mat, and it would take her a while to get from one side to the other. But now when we do that, she can get from one side to the other immediately. So we started letting her crawl on our bed. We place her on one side. It takes her a bit to get to the other side, and she'll fuss her way over, but it's progress nonetheless. And in terms of her interactions, she's really talkative. Actually, from the moment she wakes up, that's actually sometimes how we wake up. It's because she'll wake up and start babbling and giggling and just wake us up, and it's really cute. Overall, her motor skills have improved significantly. She's really good at grabbing things, and she has a really strong grip. She'll grab mommy's hair and tug on it, pull on it, and she won't let go, which is kind of sad because mommy's starting to shed some hair, which is normal post-pregnancy. And she'll grab her toys. She's really good at grabbing her little teething toys, and she started playing with her feet. She's just really playful, and she likes to grab everything that's around her. And she likes to sit up a lot more now. We have this sitting chair from Fisher-Price that she loves to sit in, especially when mommy and daddy are busy with something else. We can put her in there and she can chill there for like up to half an hour, no problem. And she's actually likes to stand a lot now. When I try to sit her on my lap, she'll just want to stand. When I'm holding her even against myself, she'll like kick her legs out and try to stand like she's like rock climbing on me. Overall, her sleep unfortunately has regressed a little bit. She's taking less frequent naps throughout the day, and those naps are much shorter than they were before. And she's waking up in the middle of the night more frequently. But fortunately for us, it's because she's drinking a lot more milk this month. Kinsley, you're so wiggly. She was drinking like less than 500 milliliters per day, and now she's drinking anywhere between 600 to 700, even more sometimes. Also, my wife has a lot less milk nowadays, so she's drinking a lot more formula. And she was really colicky last month when we were using Enfamil, but we actually recently started using Similac lactose sensitive, which we've gotten really good results with. She seems to be taking that down very easily. We were doing like 60 milliliters per bottle, but we've kind of upped it up to 120, which is really good for her. Her appetite is so much better and she's gaining a lot more weight. I think within the last 2 weeks, she went from 11.2 to 11.8 pounds. So she is growing, surely. Her pee and poo, it's been more separated this month. She can, go to sleep at night, and then in the morning when I change her diaper, it'd just be this giant diaper of only pee. And then maybe an hour later, I'd change her again, it'd only be poo. I know before, when I changed her, I checked that blue line, it would usually just be pee and poo together, and every diaper would be like that. But now she'd be pooping maybe only 3 to 4 times a day, and a lot of times I check her, it's just pee. Yeah, she's drooling a lot this month, which unfortunately is causing her to get some neck rashes, so we have to put some ointment on there to help reduce that. She likes to put everything into her mouth. She put her hands, her toys, her burping cloth, even her feet. Recently she's starting to put her feet in her mouth, which is hilarious. See? You like to eat your hand, don't you? That's why you're slobbering all over the place. And you're kicking. You want to give Daddy a high five kick? So her clothes overall, she's finally outgrown her 0 to 3 month clothes. It's starting to get a bit tight when we're trying to button her up on the bottom. So we actually started using the 4 to 6 months. And her diaper size, we actually went from size 1 to size 2 recently, but the size 2 was still a bit too big for her. She would leak a couple times, so we actually went back to size 1, but she is growing at a pretty good rate. I think she measures like 25 inches in height now, so she's growing. And then I think next month she'll be able to go back to size 2. Now she's going through a really strong mommy phase. You want mommy, don't you? Where no matter what I do, she just wants mommy, especially in the morning, like when I have to take a shift and mommy is taking a nap. She'll get extra fussy, and not only fussy, like she'll scream in my ears to the point where it's physically painful. And I can't do anything except wait until mommy wakes up, and then whenever mommy wakes up, she's just happy and smiling and laughing immediately. You need mommy, don't you? Okay, let's get you back to mommy. Let's go done with this video. And then you can go to mommy. Her mood overall, when she's not fussy like this, she's really happy. Like, she's giggling and she's really fun to interact with. She's adorable. And like I can tickle her and she loves it. You can't really tell right now. I'm trying to tickle her and she's just fussy. She wants mommy. She just really wants mommy. Oh. Oh no.
It's a pacifier.
Oh, you want the pacifier? There you go. Yeah, so there you have it. That's her 4-month update. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like so we know you enjoyed the content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. And as always, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any videos in the future. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye! Bye! Oh, Kinsley, you are getting so heavy.